Unlike other listed stocks in the market, IPOs do not have a trading history. There is no way for you to evaluate how the market will judge the stock until it is listed. Hey guys, I am Prarthana from ClearTax. Buying a stock at an IPO price does not mean that you are buying it at the bottom. It is simply priced according to how much the market is willing to pay based on surveys done among investors by the underwriter. Now, how do you manage your risks when buying IPOs? Here are 5 mistakes every investor must avoid. So, let's begin. Number 1, losing the opportunity to take profits. IPOs can be unpredictable in the very first few days of trading. Plan your selling strategy. You can lock in your profits once you have achieved your target returns shortly after listing day. Now, unless you really believe in the IPO stock for the long-term investment, take the chance to cash in on your gains whenever the opportunity presents itself. You can always decide to buy it back later when you are more comfortable with the trend of the stock. Number 2, chasing IPO stocks on the first trading day. If you believe in the potential of the IPO and you want to buy more shares of the stock, it is best that you wait for a few days for the stock to settle down before you begin to accumulate. Most IPOs recover after the first correction, which should give you a chance to profit on a stock rally. Number 3, following hypes. When a company is going public, underwriters want to make sure that the IPO is going to be successful no matter how unattractive the investment offer is. Avoid buying an IPO just because your broker recommended this to you or you heard it from a friend or maybe a family member that the stock is many times oversubscribed. Number 4, investing on brand recall. IPOs with familiar brand names are not necessarily good investments. Although a strong brand recall definitely helps in promoting the IPO, there is absolutely no guarantee that the stock will do well once it gets listed. Make sure that before you invest in an IPO, you first read the investment prospectus. Find out what the business model of the company is all about. Number 5, investing with no stop loss plan. Every now and then, there will be always a chance that you may invest in the wrong IPO stock. When this happens, be prepared to cut your losses. Avoid getting so emotionally involved with the promise of an IPO that you forget to control your risks. There are IPOs that steadily decline for months after peaking on listing day. Have you ever invested in an IPO or have you ever made a mistake? Definitely let us know your experience in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to give your video a big thumbs up and subscribe to ClearTax's YouTube channel for regular videos on finance. Stay tuned, stay happy and take care.